Hello, so we have here another iPhone 11 that doesn't start. Our button is dead. Let's try the power supply. So when connected to charging, here we can see what's going on, right here. You see it jumps at some point at 400 milliamps, then it drops, so I think this suggests like a short somewhere. So let's open the phone and see what the problem could be. Connect it to the power supply and see what is the behavior on the power supply. Alright, turn on the power supply, on, you can see it there on the left. Oh, and we have an instant 4 amp short. Alright, I turned it off. I'm gonna remove the screen. Alright, let me remove all the connectors here and take off the phone, and let's hope for a short on the top, but I certainly don't think it's gonna be the case. Let me get the phone out. Alright, foam is out. So let's take the thermal camera. I did drop something, I don't know what. Never gonna find that again. Luckily I don't know what that was, so we're cool. So let's test it with the thermal cam. We're using the Infiray P2 Pro. I have it connected to the computer so you can see it too. And let's have a look here. TC view, and see what is warming up and where, so we can kind of see the board. Okay, so we see the connector heating up, but we don't care about that. Yeah, and we see here, so we have something short here, but I believe it's between the boards. See, right there in the corner. Yeah. Okay, so we have to split the boards.
Had to cut it up before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at.
And now we can jump back under the microscope and have a look at it. Right, so let's first clean this thermal compound. Let me get some tissue. Okay, so you're seeing the short. If I remember correctly, was it? How was it? I think it was around here, right? On the other side. So the other side here, it has this big gap here, and a small one here, and I kind of bet it's the small one to blame. Let's have a look on the schematic. So on the schematic, this is annoying. See, this cap is on the VDD main line, the small one. I think that's our prick. Okay, let's go back under the microscope, and I'm gonna connect the power supply. Let me remove this screw that I put here in the motherboard. Okay, so power supply is connected. Let me zoom the microscope there. Let's put some alcohol. I'm not gonna take the thermal cam because I'm quite sure it's that one to blame. I need more IPA. Alright, so power on. See? That one, how it's sizzling. Yeah. So we're gonna remove this one, and as Sorin says, we're not gonna replace it in this video. Maybe in the next one. Now, leaving the joke aside, there are 3000 caps on this line. And just putting heat stress there. See, now I turned on the supply, as you can see it on the upper left corner, and there is no more short. Let's try to power on the board. I'm gonna use the tweezers here, and you see the phone is prompting to boot. Yeah, and now it's booting, so we have a normal boot behavior. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the supply, and now we're gonna have a look at the pads and see if there's any spacer that is out of position. These all look good. Okay, so no problem here. Let's look at the interposer. Also, I can't see any spacer that is out of position. Let's zoom out a bit, and yeah, let's clean it. I'm gonna use some hot air just to heat up a bit the interposer, so it's gonna clean up nicely if it's if the old flux is melted a bit.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm...
So now we have everything connected. I'm gonna put the power supply, not the power supply, the charger, and you can see it right there. It prompted to boot, and it's already started charging the phone. Yeah, so we have the Apple logo, meaning that the battery was not flat. So as I said, probably the BMS of the battery disconnected the cells, so we're fine. Yeah, we have a picture there. It says no SIM available. Because I didn't insert it properly. Yeah, we have touch. Now we have the 4G signal, and I'm gonna call this number and see if, yeah, we get something. Hello? 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 Yeah, so everything works as expected. This was it. Thank you for watching. I wish you have a nice day, and give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already, because it helps a lot. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.